Alright guys, just turning the TV down. It's kind of a quiet day, not just mentally for myself, but just around the house. I think the last time I vlogged the same day that I, excuse me, had cleaned out my closet. So yeah, I did the Marie Kondo thing. Have no idea if this is like in that same vlog, so I apologize if I'm repeating myself, but in case you haven't seen that video, I'll link it somewhere for you, down below or at the end. Anyway, I have this huge pile of clothes to kind of go through, make sure that they're just donation worthy, and I think I may keep some stuff and sell it on Poshmark. These are the shoes that I'm keeping and I think selling on Poshmark. The other ones I'm donating to like a women's shelter. So yeah, I need to definitely go through this pile so that I can pick it up off the floor and then get this carpet vacuumed. It's gonna be like a little cleaning day. I am in work stuff, the day is done, and I should probably change into something that I should be cleaning in because I'm obsessed with this sweater. It's my favorite thing I've ever gotten from SHEIN. And today I also wore my heels that I got from SHEIN as well. I'll show you guys. I wore these little puppies. I'm obsessed. Really love them. I love them so much that I'm thinking about buying a double pair. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm the kind of girl where if I find a shoe I love, I wear it to death and it can never come back, and can't ever find it again, like in that exact style. I just had to throw away my favorite black boots. You might have seen it in the clip. For the Marie Kondo, I didn't really like talk about them or highlight them at all, but they were just black like ankle boots and they had like a fur type trim, but I couldn't revive them. I couldn't even take them to a shoe repair. Like the whole bottom of the sole was just bad. I had to just chunk them. I think I got them like at a TJ Maxx a really long time ago. So 10 plus years ago. And like there was just no way I was gonna find the exact replica. I don't do that very often with shoes. I just want to throw that out there. There have been a couple shoes in my life where I really had wished I had a double of them. I feel like this is gonna be one of them. So anyway, getting off topic. So that's basically what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
guys, I haven't been vlogging consistently, so if I just am stumbling, it's probably why. I'm also super red because I just got back from the gym. I have been working out for the past month and a half at a gym. I just haven't really mentioned it because I don't like want to vlog myself because I'm just trying to like be focused and blah blah blah. I did wear a really cute outfit today. These little leggings, I got them from Forever 21. I have the matching sports bra. It's a really cute outfit. But I am gonna get in the shower, do my hair, my makeup. Very minimal, I think. And I may not even do makeup. I may just do like a little bit of mascara and some moisturizer. Loxy and I, like we were playing and she hit me on my lip. So my lip is a little swollen. And so yeah, so like I don't want to put like lipstick or anything on, you know what I'm saying? Why do I feel like I'm yelling? Anyhow, I need to get some makeup, and the makeup I want to get is not at like Walmart, it's at Ulta. I ran out of my concealer, which a lot of people have been complimenting my makeup a lot lately, and what I've changed is my concealer. I went from this combo, the Age Rewind and the LA Girl Pro concealer, and I went to this Revolution concealer. I have it in C4 is my color for now. I do change shades. And then the other thing that I've done that's different is my bronzer. I use Wet n Wild Ticket to Brazil, but I still put my favorite bronzer on top of that as well. So I use essentially two bronzers. Pretty much it. It's the only thing that's different. I'm just a couple days, no, like a week shy of having my closet Marie Kondo'd style, and it feels great. I love it. I've been enjoying it so much, and it's funny, once you do one space, you start looking at your other spaces a lot differently. So now my bathroom just seems super cluttered to me, and yeah. So I digress. I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna change, and I'll try to vlog in Ulta, but they have so many people that work there, you know, and they just kind of like walk around and stare at you. So I'll do my best. If not, I'll definitely show you guys what I'm getting. I need moisturizer, which technically the moisturizer I want is at Sephora, not at Ulta. I'm sweating. Anyway, take two. I'm going to Ulta now. The same thing. If, you know, I can't vlog in there, I can't vlog in there. But I will show you guys what I get. Yes, Whitney. Looks into my eyes. How will I know? How will I know? How will I know if he really loves me? Girl, he puts a ring on it. That's how you know.
Number 6. Chips in the car. I got out the chips. She's like, Mom. I'm like, we have a big bag at home. I'm telling you.
Hi guys, sorry for the weird angle, but that's the best place I can put you guys. So I'm gonna quickly show you what I got, but first, I just have to say, I can't shop at Ulta anymore. Oh my gosh, they need to have some serious meetings, like, about how to treat people when they're shopping. I personally do not need 10 people coming up to me asking me if I need help. especially when I don't even look like I need help. You know what I'm saying? It's just, it's so frustrating. I try to be, you know, mindful that like it's their job, but at the same time, I am the customer, and it's just awful. Like, I don't want to shop like that. If I needed help, I'm a big girl. I'm going to ask for help. And it just bothers me. I mean, I was counting, you guys, and it was more than 7 times. I think I stopped counting, but one person came up to me twice. I was just like, and at one point, the very last one, and I think I got asked to be helped one more time, so I think it ended up being 8 times. But on the 7th time, I told the lady, I was like, listen, I was like, I have been asked if I need help so many times. I was like, I'm fine. Can I please just like shop? And I don't care if someone's gonna think that's rude or like whatever. Like, I honestly don't care. It's just, and I was on the, like, I was on down. What am I trying to say? I was squatting down because I was looking at the bottom shelf, and I was just sitting there, you know, like trying to pick out like what I wanted. And even then, like, somebody was coming up to me and I'm like, I can't. I saw something on Instagram, I think it was in the UK, where when you go into the store, you can either pick a black basket or a red basket. And each color meant something. Like, I think black meant, like, I might need some help. If you come up to me, it's fine. And then red was like, I don't need any help. Don't come talk to me. And that's what stores honestly need to do. I know that there are some people who like don't mind, and then there are people that are like me where like, I know what I want. I know what I'm looking for, and being asked to be helped one time makes sense, right? But then when you're asked so many times, you guys, we're talking in a period of 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. I honestly couldn't even look at any item without someone beelining to be like, can I help you? Like, I just don't want to personally have that shopping experience. This is probably why I do all of my shopping online. Nobody on Amazon.com is going to ask me if I need help. I know I'm ranting and raving, but this has been a problem with me going to Ulta for as long as I can remember. And I'm not going to go shop at Ulta anymore. I'm either going to shop online at Ulta and honestly, like, I don't even want to do that. Like, I don't even know if I even want to give them my business. Like, it was really bad. So, I digress. I'll show you guys what I got. My daughter needed some concealer. She wanted NARS, but they didn't have her color. So, I picked up, the one that I like for myself, and this is the Revolution. It's like the drugstore side of Ulta. It's not like the higher name brand stuff. This was $5, and I got C4. I got 2 of them for me. I love this concealer. Ever since I switched to this concealer, I've been getting a lot of compliments in my videos on my makeup. And then I got C3, a lighter shade for my daughter, because again, they didn't have NARS, so hopefully she'll like this one. And then I overdid it. I overdid it with skincare. I went in for this really expensive brand. This is the Kate Somerville. Super expensive skincare product. I've heard so many great things about it though. So I got the Nourish Daily Moisturizer. So I ran out of my moisturizer, so this is gonna replace my $5 from Walmart, and this ended up being $65. But I know her stuff is supposed to be like the bomb, and my skin is getting up there, so I feel like I'm gonna have to spend some money to take care of my skin. It's not as young as it used to be. And this is a daily moisturizer, sensitive skin, and it has anti-aging. So the benefits that are on the back are just what it was saying. I'm not gonna read it off to you and bore you to tears, but anyway. So I got this as a moisturizer replacement, and I also wanted to get something for a dark spot corrector. Garnier, this is the dark spot corrector. It reduces the look of years of sun damage and it brightens skin. we'll see if it works. I think this was like 17 bucks. And I just, like this one, do you see that one? That's a dark spot. I have a huge dark spot thing here, but I was starting to treat it on my own with potatoes, if you've never heard of that home remedy. And I actually think it was working. I think I'm too lazy to sit there and cut up potatoes and like swirl it around my skin. But I'm gonna have to force myself to get some potatoes and do it, because I really do think that it's a miracle worker. But I got this for my lazy self, and we'll see if it works. I'll let you guys know. I didn't get any under eye cream. I felt like once I got this, I kind of reached my limit in my spending. And then I don't know if I'm going to insert the clips of me going into TJ Maxx, very quick clips. And I got some workout tops, and I really like these. I feel like it's kind of hard for you to see, but when I wear them, I'll try to vlog a clip of what it kind of looks like. But this one's very see-through, which I like because I love my sports bras, and I want like my sports bras to show. And this one has like a deep V in the back too. Can you see that? Like this whole cutout, and then it has the little, I don't know, it's inside out for some reason. Yeah, I really like this black one. I know it's just hard for you guys to see. And then I got a white one. I feel like white and black are just really good staples. Here's the back. It's really pretty. So my sports bra, the top back of my sports bra will show. And then it has some like mesh paneling. It's really nice, really breathable. Okay, you guys, I gotta turn up this AC, but if I'm irritated, Ulta, come on. Like, come on. It makes me so frustrated. It's one of those things where I feel like finding the customer service number and like calling corporate or something, because I feel like it's that bad. And I don't ever do that. Like, I feel like whenever I have a negative experience, I just kind of throw it away and move on. But I mean, you guys, no one goes into Ulta and spends like $2. You know, you're probably gonna walk out of Ulta spending on average $60, on average. And I just feel like they need to consider their customers, and I'm just not. I don't need to be asked to be helped 10 effing times in 8 freaking minutes. Like, I just don't need that. I don't. I think I got my numbers backwards. I don't need to be asked 8 times in under 10 minutes.